we can use the Java upgrade here. So for Java upgrade, one good thing is here we don't require the stack configuration file. Without stack configuration file also we can do it. With configuration file also we can do it. Without also we can do it here. So the advantage is if you do with configuration file, with stack configuration file, all the dependencies, entire stack we can automatically it will calculate the dependencies and we can update it. So if you don't have the stack configuration file also not a problem. We can do it using the sum tool and telnet tool also here. The main thing is here, the only thing is when you are doing the manual procedure here, we have to manually calculate the dependencies. The dependencies we have to manually calculate it here. So here we have to so dependency, the Java patches, SAP, the Java patches, dependencies are very important here. Dependencies are very important here. If you miss one dependency, so definitely system will go crash, system will crash. System will crash means something, some functionality will break, will not work. So that is the very important thing here. So let's start how to download. First of all, it's required the patches. Normally SAP ABAP patches, SAP ABAP patches in the name of the .sar files, right? For Java patches, it's like a SCA file, software component archives, right? So this is the .sca files here. So .sar file for above patches, .sca files for the Java patches here. So we can download it. First of all, before we downloading, we need to check the what is the latest versions we have and everything here, right? So current versions we need to check it out in the systems here. So just to go to the here, let me go to my other session and just to close this session. Right. So here we can go to the service marketplace. Before the service marketplace here, we can go to the system information. Here go to the component information. Here we can check the what is the component which you are going to update here. These are the list of components we have in the currently in our systems here. So this is the way we need to check the so component information. Component information we need to check it out here. This is the way we need to check the component information, right? So for which components you are going to update it. So as I mentioned previously, how to read this version here, 7.50 and 22 is the SPS level and here 27 is the patch level, 0. This is the 0 is the patch level and 27 is the so patch level here, right? So how to update these components here, how to do the upgrade here. Suppose you want to do the ADS SEP, right? You want to upgrade only few components. Then just to go to the service marketplace, support pack and patches here, just to go to the alphabetical index, then go to the NetWeaver administrator. But because this is a NetWeaver, so go to the NetWeaver 7.5. Here, application server, not the above. It's a Java patches here. So here you can see the Ajax runtime, right? Ajax runtime. So there is a patches component information. So Ajax runtime, base tables, BI tables. So there are the core tables. So many things are there here. J2W framework, J2W apps. So J2W framework. So they are the mandatory some core components are there here in the Java level. So we want to update the Java, the core components we have to mandatory we have to update it here. Suppose Ajax runtime you are updating, we need to update, and so engine API we have to update it. Then so J2W framework, J2W extension, J2W base tables, core tables. These all are the this few are the core tables, core components, Java core components here. Let me so show you here. There is a one node Java core components for patching. So there is a one mandatory nodes here. So if you open this note here, So due to the SAP support recommendation, you should input the patch core component, Java core components. We have to update it here. What are the patches will come into the core components here? If you open the, there is a SAP standard note here. We can come to know, will come to know what are the core components for the Java systems here, right? So these all are the base tables, framework. In, as of now, whatever I informed, right? These all are the core components here, right? So this is the very important, must be applied always together. The patches can be imported with the sum tool, must be always together at the same time without making any dependencies. We have to apply them, right? So that is the very important here. That's why these are the some of the components. Whatever I told you, these are the important components here, right? So here, see here, suppose now let's go to the engine API, right? These are the very important things here, engine API. So just you can download what is the latest version we have in the system here. So what is the current version we have? 22. 22 is the version we have in the system. 7.50 22 here, right? So in the software downloads 22. So 22 version is there. So we can update the 22, then patch level 9 we can update it, or 22 to 28, or what is the latest version 28. 28 also we can update it here, or 27 also we can directly jump into the 28 also we can update it here, right? 28 also we can update it. See here 28 patch is getting downloaded, which is the SCA. But here to check the dependency, go to the here, then here there is a SCA dependency. So without applying the dependency, if you apply it, so there is a error, right? Then this patch is dependency on the server core. Then download the server core, then download the UMB administration also. UMB admin patch, then server core patches. You have to download it here. Here patches are getting downloaded here. So then SCA dependency, this is the way we have to download the dependencies, right? Download the dependency here, server core. Suppose if you want to, suppose another thing, once the engine API is done, suppose you want to apply the SAP J2W base tables here. Just select the latest version. Then once the latest version is downloaded, then go to the here. Then this one, there is no dependency. Just we can ignore this one, right? That is does not have the any dependency here, base tables. So then core tools. So core tools also very important here. So here, so 22, 28 is the latest patch levels. Just to download the latest patch levels also, you can download it core tools here. So just check the dependency here. Is there any dependency? Yes, SCI dependency here. So just check the what is the dependency, server core dependency. Server core we already downloaded, so we can ignore it here. So like this, we need to calculate the all the dependencies. So normally we have to apply the all the patches, but for time being, what we are doing here, we are just only updating the only few things we are updating here. So that next one is the so LM core service. It is the 28. All are the 28 patch levels.
Sir, directly to SP 22 to 28 directly we can upgrade it,
We can
support
upgrade.
package.
Yes, we can upgrade it.
So no need of the any between that 23, 24 like that.
Not,
Directly 28.
yes.
Okay, patch level also like that only.
Yeah, we can upgrade it directly. So
Right.
we don't require. So
Got it. And operating system you are not selecting that
it's not,
particular,
no, it's the application specific, right? Operating system is not required here.
not required. Okay.
This is also there is no dependency. So framework. So this is also there is no dependency. So as of now, few patches we have collected here. So these are the few patches here, right? So then what we can do, we can apply these patches here. So along with this one, what we have to do, along with this one, Java patches. So sum tool, same as sum tool we required here to perform the upgrade here. So normally go to the USR SAP. So then SID, then NJD is the one JVM and sum tool here. So normally we know how to do it via sum tool here, right? So via sum tool, through sum tool we have to update the patches here or telnet tool. So let's start with the sum tool here. How to update the patches via sum tool here. So it's a very straightforward means, so directly we can just without XML file we downloaded the selective packages we have downloaded, then so we can update it here. So for this one we have the sum tool is ready, then patches are ready, then what we can do here, directly we can just go to the, so we can log into the SID ADM user. SID ADM means NJD ADM user. Okay, so then go to the here, start the sum tool first of all here. Yes, sir. SAP SID, then start the sum tool here. Then SAP car -XVF, then so sum tool dot dar, then sum tool will be extracted here.
సార్ ఇక్కడ నాకు చిన్న క్వెరీ ఉంది. మనది సమ్ ఇప్పుడు 1.1 యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, సమ్ 2 కూడా ఉన్నది సార్ మనకి సర్వీస్ మార్కెట్ ప్లేస్ లా. కానీ సమ్ 2 మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది సమ్ అనేది అప్డేటెడ్ 2, కానీ అది సమ్ 2 అనేది మనం చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు వచ్చే లింక్ ఉంటది కదా, అది అబాప్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది, జావా రావట్లేదు. అంటే సమ్ 2 అనేది అప్గ్రేడ్ వర్షన్ కదా, అలా జావా అవ్వాలి కదా అని నా డౌట్.
The only so there is a thumb rule here SAP. If SAP NetWeaver version 7.5 up to 7.5, so we have to use the sum 1.0 or sum 1.1. If the SAP NetWeaver release 7.5 plus above, then we have to use the sum 2.0. Ours is the NetWeaver version 7.5, right? So normally for Java systems, all Java systems should be in the 7.5 only. Then we have to use the sum 1.1 only. So this is for the Java systems. For especially for the ABAP systems, so if the SAP NetWeaver version 7.5 below, we have to use the sum 1.0 or sum 1.1. So only small difference here. If the NetWeaver version 7.5 or above, then we have to use the sum 2.0. We have to use it. This is the for ABAP stack and Java stack. These are the differences here.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
But 1.0 is already depreciated. We cannot use. We are supposed to be 1.1 only.
Yeah, it's 1. Yeah. You are there, so that's why I mentioned 1.0 also.
But 1.0 is already depreciated. We cannot use.
Yeah. Recently, only in the months back.
It's only 1.1 only you are supposed to use.
Yeah. Few members they have the old archives.
Yeah.
Old archives you can use the 1.0, but it's deprecated. SAP is not supporting that one.
Yeah, it won't support. If you use the 1.0, it won't support.
Yeah. Oh my God, how many files are getting extracted? So it is getting extracted. Okay. Let me check what is the status now. So it's take very long time for this 1.1. There are a lot of subfiles are there, so it is creating. Whenever you are extracting the sum total, you see here there is a under USR, SCP, SID, sum folder. Here it is creating a lot of files here. So if it is the telnet patching with the telnet is very simple actually. Patching with the telnet is very simple. Just go to the command prompt mode here. So the command prompt mode, or just to open the MMC also we can open the directly open the telnet here. Access points. Telnet. Yeah, this is the port number for the telnet. 5 instance number 08. So just a telnet. Java telnet. Let's go to command prompt mode. Here already one is open. It's not opening. So let's wait for to finish. I think this is going to be finished now. Yes, I think it's done. It's done. Okay. So it's done. So let's start. Just leave it this one. So just to go to the, yes, we have SID and the sum tool. It is available. So now open the sum tool. Open the command prompt mode in the administrator mode. Then go to this folder, sum folder. Right. So then we can start the sum tool. Same procedure, whatever we have done in the bottom. Then some startup. Sorry, startup.
I think
Startup.
we have to above side, sir. You can check it.
Yeah. Startup space. Yes. Config host agent space SID JD. So SID. So config host agent. Then it will generate the one URL in the one URL. So this URL we have to open in the browser here. Yes. So you see here, it is asking the open the Java URL here. Just to copy the some Java URL. Copy browser. Okay. Enter. So then same port number 1129. Some above here, some Java here. So then NJD ADM. Then password. Same procedure. Some here the phases here, the some phases normally in the above stack systems, normally we will get for above we will get the so welcome page and scenario selection, then the extraction, right? Extraction, configuration, checks, so pre-processing, then execution, then post-processing, right? This is for the above stack systems. For the Java stack systems also, it's similar way, but these steps will come first. So welcome page, then select target, then so confirm target. You will get all those confirm target. In the confirm target section, you will get here, right? See here, welcome page. Then specify the credentials. So just welcome page, just click on that one, then immediately it will go to the specify the credentials here. Then so select target, then specify the credentials. Then so welcome page, let me write it here. Welcome page, specify the credentials, then select the target, then confirm the target. Then in the confirm target section, you will get the all the 6 pages here in the confirm target section. So you will get the 6 pages here. So then summary, that's it. That is only one difference here. So in the when it is go to the confirm target section, you will get the this phases here. In the confirm target section, you will get the extraction. So then configuration, all these steps like extraction, so configuration, checks, then pre-processing, then execution, then post-processing, then finally confirm target is completed, then summary you will get here. So here we have the option. You can select choose the stack.xml file, or you can just choose the manual prepared directory. For Java systems, normally we'll choose the manual prepared directory. Manual prepared directory means so where we have the all the patches are available in one location, Java location. Just select that button, just click on the OK button. So that will check now. That will check the define the target now. Confirm the select the target. So it will read that patches here. Just go to the logs here. In the logs here, just check it out here. What's happening here in the logs? So it is verifying all the patches. Whatever the patches you have downloaded, all the patches are getting verified here. See here in the Java component, Java patches. So it's verifying the all the patches here. So yes, just click on the continue button. Yeah, confirm the target section. Normally JVM also we have to update it, but we have not updating the JVM. So let's see, only few select 2 packages we are doing here. Now you see extraction, configuration, checks, pre-processing, execution, post-processing. Here we got the option where in the confirm target option, in the confirm target selection, we got the this screens here. Then finally summary page here. So like this. So but above systems directly you will get the this pages, but Java systems you will get in the confirm target selection option. That is the difference between the above stack and Java stack systems. Here, one more thing is here for above to Java, Java to above, sorry, here extraction, the configuration so checks when it is going. So in the above stack, it will ask the our inputs. For Java systems, directly it will jump to the up to pre-processing. Then before the downtime, it will ask the our confirmation. Till then, it automatically it will go to the so extraction to configuration. Now it will go to the checks. Now it will go to the pre-processing. Automatically it will go here. So something problem in the components here, it will detect here the components, source components here. So source component will detect it, any issues or something, it won't take it further here. So you can see it here, all the information here. Very simple and very fast also Java. It's a very fast. Here there is no shadow concept or nothing. Nothing will create here. No shadow system will not create here. Remember it for the Java systems.
But it should be have to done in downtime, right, sir?
Yeah, in the downtime mode only. Downtime mode means up to pre-processing. So we can do it in the online while system is up. Now the upgrade is running. So now what we can do, we can log into the our Java stack systems, right? So our Java stack systems, we can log in. So we can log in, we can do the, so whatever if you want to do, so we can do it our work here for Java stack systems. So we can go to the NW, suppose if you want to do the some configuration changes, anything you can do. While upgrade is in progress, see here, we went to the other tabs, we are doing the monitoring, something like that, we are checking and everything, we can do it while upgrade is running. But only thing is, see, there is no shadow system during the downtime phase, we have to stop it here. Okay. So here, these components are rejected here. See here, components are rejected here. Rejected components here means it's not taking further because so minimum patch level, yes, cannot be updated to the higher patch level. So cannot be updated to the higher patch level. Cannot be updated to the higher patch level. So cannot be updated to the higher patch level. So directly from 28 to we cannot update directly higher patch level. So now we are in the 22. So what we have to do, minimum patches we have to give it here. That is the main thing here. For Java, sometimes higher patch level we can update it. Sometimes some components, we have some components are there. Suppose example, here all are the 22, 22, 22, 22, but the patch levels are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here minimum patch level we have to update it. The 22 itself, minimum patch level we have to update it. Then minimum patch level we have to update it. Then we have to take it the further here. Then from there we can update to the 28 patch level. So to get that message, see here, we got the error message here, right? We got the messages here. It won't take it further now. Maybe one or two components it may take, but definitely it will stuck it here. So no data here, no data here. So why? Because minimum patch level we have to download it here in the system. So that is the reason what I'm doing. Again, we have to re-download. Again, we have to re-download all the patches here. With the 22 itself, latest patch levels we have to download it here. Latest patch levels we have to download it. Then with two-step upgrade approach here, minimum patch levels, then directly latest patch levels we can update it here. So let's go to the 22 itself. So 22 itself, there is a patch level, right? 22 itself, there is a patch level. Now currently we have the SP22 here. So the 22 SP22 here, patch level 0000. First we have to update the patch levels here. So sometimes directly some components direct upgrade is possible. Some components we have to manually do that one, manually update that components here. Suppose example, so we can just go to the application server Java. Okay, so what I can do here, let's take any one of the one small component here. So engine API. So engine API 22. 11 patch level is there. So 22 SP22 we have, ours is the 0. So I can download the 22 patch level here, engine API. For this one, there is a dependency. So 22. So application server core UMB. This 3 we have to update it here. Server core. And this is the one. 3. One patch, we have the dependency on the 3 patches here. Right? One patch, we have the dependency on the 3 patches here. Engine. SMJ2W engine API, Java server core. So and the UMB. So here go to the SAP software, Java patches. I will make it here itself. Okay. So then what I will do here during the upgrade, here the
సార్ ఆ ఫైల్స్ కూడా తీసుకుంటే కదా సార్ మీరు అవి ప్రీవియస్ డిలీట్ చేయకపోతే
files తీసుకోదు, రిజెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు.
రిజెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే ఓకే.
Now it will calculate the whatever the patches like engine API, 4 or 5 components, just for example. So just I downloaded. Normally we have to upgrade entire stack using the configuration file. So if not possible, at least core components, at least whatever we downloaded, at least core components also we have to download it. So those things we are just selecting here. So now we can check the logs here. What patches it is selecting here.
రవి stack.xml ఫైల్ అయితే మనకి అంతా ఉంటుంది కదా, అయితే డిపెండెన్స్ చూపిస్తుంది కదా.
Yeah. So when you do it the stack.xml file, so we no need to worry about the dependencies, correct patch levels and everything here. So
Just
yeah,
some itself checks the
it will always
dependency,
check.
put
Yes,
it.
yes, yes, right, that's right. Sum itself it will check. That's why. So go with the sum tool and
Some tool
stack.
and
Yeah,
the stack
but
file.
yeah, one or two components we can go with the telnet without managed file, but more components, more patches, entire stack you have to do. Better go with the stack configuration file, maintenance planner, calculate the stack configuration file, then download all the patches, go with the sum. So like this we can go with this one.
Is it possible to show the telnet? I mean, it-
Telnet we will discuss. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
also optional.
sure.
Once this is done, just
Yes.
telnet is a small command that I will explain it. So like this, let me show you here. Telnet, via telnet, how to do it here. Just telnet space, telnet space. So see here. So these components we have not downloaded. Other components we have downloaded, right? So that's why these are the rejected. These are the rejected. Others are downloaded. So these are the rejected. Then why? Because only engine API, some other 4 components we have downloaded here. See here, these components, engine API, it's like 22 to 2211, 0 to 16, then 0 to 38, and 0 to 22. These components are we are going to upgrade to the higher patch level. If you don't want to update this one, just skip it. So if you want to update, just leave it here. Just click on the OK button. This is the current version. The target version is going to be like this here. Only these 4 components are going to upgrade it here. Just click on the OK button. Then it will take it further here. So meanwhile, let me show you here. So telnet is the one of the tool offline. This is also for the updating the patches. 1 or 2 bulk. So we can do it for telnet also here. Telnet. So local host, then file instance number 08. This is the one. Telnet.
But even in the sum directory.
Yeah, let me take it. What are the administrator prompt?
Yeah.
Status. Telnet package I have to install, I guess. Telnet will not be the recognized. Telnet package you have to install some. There's a telnet line for Windows systems we have to download. Oh, okay. We have to enable that package here. There is a one Windows level while installing the Windows operating system. I have not done it then. So yeah, there is an option for you. Okay, let's start this one. We'll progress this one and meanwhile we'll check the Windows. We have to install the telnet somewhere. File and store, not this one. The control panel. PHP restart. Remote access. No. Here it will be. Let me open. So program and features, enable it, telnet packages. Look at the telnet on the option box. Where is SMB client, telnet client, SMB client, telnet client. Yes. Okay. So here in the features, we have the telnet client. This is one of the Windows feature actually. So during the Windows OS installation time, after the installation, we have to enable it. So that time we have not enabled this one. So now just we are enabling this one. Where is ours? Yes. So it is asking me instance numbers, parameters, and everything. So it's going to the so it's done. It's installed. Okay. Yes. Telnet we got it. So for this one, the command prompt mode we have to do the command prompt mode. So the option is called the telnet space, local host space. So then file instance number 0808 is the port number, telnet port number. Then so connecting to the local host is giving the this username. So just give the administrator or J2W underscore admin. Then password you can give it here. Then welcome to the node. So it is doing here, it is doing. So then what we can do, so here it is beginning the downtime. Okay, let's continue the sum here. Okay, so here from here onwards the downtime will begin. So up to here we will run it in the weekdays. During the downtime, from here onwards, we will run it in the offline phase. Offline means so after the maybe during the weekends or off business hours, we will execute it here. During the off business hours, we will execute it here. We will execute it in the off business hours here. So why? Because here, when I click on the next button here we need to take the backup of the security directories, database backup, and voice level folder backup. All the backups we have to take it out. Now downtime started now. Now downtime is started now. So now, so disable the auto start. So now downtime is started now. So which means system will be stopped here now. So while that is in progress here, so here it will run automatically. Telnet we have to use it. Once you connect to the telnet here there is a option add deploy. Okay, add deploy command we have to use it here. Okay, add deploy command we have to use it here. So then if I use now, okay, then deploy all. Yes, the file name we have to give it. Where is the file name? Where is the so so file name here? So where is the file name here? So that file name we have to give it. But let's wait. Why? Because while otherwise that patches are running here. So that's why just wait for that one. So here the let's complete this one. Okay, let's complete. Then we'll discuss that one.
Sir, in real time, we'll take the backups.
Yeah, we have to take the backup. DB backup, we have to take it out.
Like what you told, sir, the HANA database backup, all these things.
Yeah, Dana database backups or file system backups. Oh, these backups, we have to take it out.
So part of regular monitoring activities లో backup మనమే డైలీ తీయాలంటే లేదా థర్డ్ పార్టీ డిఫాల్ట్ గా ట్రిగర్ చేస్తుంది backup.
బ్యాకప్ డిఫాల్ట్ గా యాజ్ పర్ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రకారం ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసేసుకుంటది. లేదు, సో ఇన్ కేస్ డూయింగ్ ద యాక్టివిటీ, నౌ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద యాక్టివిటీ, బట్ షెడ్యూల్ ఈస్ ద నైట్ 11 o'clock. Now we are doing the morning 8 o'clock, we are doing the backups. So means manually we have to take it out in this case.
Okay.
So taking backup means it's like go to the HANA Studio, take the backup, then take the USR SAP SID, then sys profiles backup, then folders backup, something like that. We can take the backup here. So here deploying the software components means, so it's a deploying means the actual work is running now. The actual work is running now here. So here what will happen here, the Java system will be restarted here, then it will run in the safe mode here. If you want, let me show you here. Just go to the SAP MMC here. Here Java is restarting and it is deploying the offline components here. It will run in the safe mode now, Java here. It will run in the safe mode here. Deployment is running here. So it will take time. Yeah, connection to host lost, as I told you, right? Why? Because Java is getting restarted. While getting the restarted, now we are using the telnet tool, so it will create the problem. So that's why just leave it now. Now see what's happening here. Means all the patches are getting deployed now. May take time. So this deploy.log file is a very important log file here. Deploy.log file. So here all the what's error messages, everything will be available here. So cannot establishing for the server response. Deployment offline cannot be established.
Ravi, back in MMC లో ఇది SCS as well as రెండు కూడా డౌన్ అవ్వాలి.
అవును.
బట్ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఆన్లైన్ ఉంది కదా.
ఇదా
ఆ.
అవుతుంది, అది డౌన్ చేసుకుంటుంది, వెయిట్ చేయండి.
ఓకే, అంటే ఫస్ట్ SCS చేసిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్ డౌన్ చేసుకుంటుంది.
ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంటే సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే,
ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ ఇది ఓన్లీ సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇట్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేఫ్ మోడ్ ఫర్ ద అప్డేటింగ్. సో
Okay.
దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి రీస్టార్ట్. ఇట్ విల్ రీస్టార్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హియర్.
Okay.
సో జస్ట్ వీ హావ్ టు వెయిట్ ఇట్. జస్ట్ వీ హావ్ టు వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్.
బికాజ్ ఇది 41 ఇన్స్టెన్స్ అనేది మామూలుగా సర్వర్ నోడ్ కదా, ఇంకా అప్ ఉంది కదా డౌట్ వచ్చింది. అది అటు డౌన్, అది డౌన్ అవ్వాలి.
సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అది డౌన్ కాదు, అది డౌన్ చేసుకుంటది, ఇప్పుడు చేసేస్తుంది.
ఓకే,
సేఫ్
సో
మోడ్
ఎంటైర్ సిస్టమ్ డౌన్ చేసుకుంటుంది
Yes,
సమ్
yes.
ఇట్స్
Yes, yes. సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత దట్ విల్ స్టాప్ ది రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ అవి
ఓకే
స్టాప్ చేస్తుంది. అది స్టాప్ చేసి సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోలేదు కదా, అందుకని అది అప్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడే సేఫ్ మోడ్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేసుకొని అప్పుడు దాన్ని స్టాప్ చేస్తుంది అది.
అంటే డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఒకేసారి రిస్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది
అప్పుడు
అంతే
చేస్తుంది.
కదా స్టార్టింగ్.
ఆ.
ఓకే
Now we cannot log in. It's started in the safe mode. So if you try to log in, let's see what will happen. I'm trying to log in. The service is not available. So let's wait. It should come to the starting framework, starting apps, then running. Starting apps. Though this is the difference above and Java, this is the difference. So this is the usage of the sum tools. And telnet tool, I will explain it. See here, now it's deploying. So deploying the components. So deploying the components and everything. There is a deploy.log file. So that will give the clear information here. So what's happening and all the information it will provide you.
రవి వన్ మోర్ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ మనకి డిబి డౌన్ ఉండాలి లేకపోతే up
Full
ఉండాలి?
DB upload ఉండాలి.
ఓకే
Yeah. DB during the upgrade system, some tool will not touch the DB. Means DB shutdown, restart.
ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇది ఎస్ఐడిస్ డిబి రిలేటెడ్ వాడు ఎక్కడ పాస్వర్డ్స్ ఏం అడగలేదు కదా.
If something goes wrong, entire your system will break. So you will not able to open any page, any Java pages. So that is the main thing. So now it is getting restarted again Java. So again, waiting to start. So now safe mode is gone. So now it is starting mode now.
ఫోర్ స్టెప్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటున్నాడా సార్ మీరు? ఆ 4 స్టెప్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటున్నాడా? అదే స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్ అని జే స్టార్ట్ లో చూపెడతది కదా.
అంటే చెక్ చేసుకోవడం అంటే జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విచ్ స్టెప్ is starting now
అదే
to check this one.
అదే
So starting framework. Java
స్టార్టింగ్ యాప్స్ రన్నింగ్.
Java will not start immediately. Java will take some time actually, 15 to 20 minutes, or sometimes 25 minutes, 30 minutes also. So why? Because Java is like this only. So in this case, we need to check whether it is starting. Instead of waiting, if we keep on checking the logs, whether it is starting or not, we'll come to know, right? So if you wait 1 hour also, it will come. Sometimes it won't start. Then if we need to check whether it's stating the status is getting changed or it's still in the waiting, or what is happening. It is a failed status. What is happening? Then we will come to know. That's why we check the logs sometimes. Then it will be easy to find out the errors and we can save the time also.
అంటే ఈ డేటాబేస్ లో కూడా ఈ ఎస్ఐడి అనేది యాడ్ అయి ఉండి రన్నింగ్ లో ఉండాలా సార్? ఎంఎంసీలో ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది, మనకి ఆల్రెడీ డౌన్ కూడా అవుతుంది. అట్లనే డేటాబేస్ లో కూడా అప్ ఉండాలా?
డేటాబేస్ లో అప్పుడు ఇది డేటాబేస్ పైన నడుస్తుంది SAP అనేది. జావా అనేది డేటాబేస్ పైన ఆధారపడి నడుస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ వోంట్ టచ్ ద డేటాబేస్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ద SAP, this is the presentation layer, this is the application layer, this is the DB layer. On top of DB you have the application, either ABAP application or Java application, whatever it may be. So ఇది టాప్ ఆఫ్ DB పైన ఉంటుంది అనమాట. This is the DB. On top of DB you have the SAP, right? Either ABAP or Java, whatever it may be.
Yes.
So we are updating only ABAP. We are updating the ABAP. Sorry, we are only updating the application. We are only updating the application, right? Not the database. So database upgrade is separate. So only updating the Java. So what will happen here? It will not touch the database. Just it will update the updated patches into the database table level. Some data it will update with the file system level. It will update it. So which means it will not restart database. It will only update the content inside of the database. It will not touch the database. Database restart or return stop. Database
ఏదైనా అప్లికేషన్ లో చూసుకోవాలి
అప్లికేషన్ ఒకటే మనకి మెయిన్ ఇక్కడ. సో ఎందుకంటే అప్లికేషన్ అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి అప్లికేషన్ ఒకటే చూసుకుంటాం అనమాట. డేటాబేస్ డౌన్ అయింది అనుకో ఇంకా అప్లికేషన్ స్టార్ట్ కాదు కదా. అందుకనే సో డేటాబేస్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంటే, కాకపోతే డేటాబేస్ టచ్ చేయదు అది. సో ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. స్టార్ట్ కాగానే ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఇది ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Here in the task list, we can find out what exactly which step is running and everything we can find out here. So while that is running, let's validate the component information here. So here, so engine API, right? Engine API. Otherwise, one more way to check it out, just type the 2023, right? 2023. So 12th month. Then type it. So then you will see the what has been done in the 2023. What are the components are updated here, right? You can see here engine API, right? Engine API 11. Then this is went to the 24th. Yeah, EPFLP, okay. Engine JWE apps. This is went to the server core. This is went to the 38. So that is went to the 38. So it is updated. It is doing here. So what are the components we downloaded? Engine API, UME admin, server codes, and JWE apps. 1, 2, 3, 4 components we lastly we copied. So engine API, JWE apps, server code, and UME admin. UME, where is that UME? So let's check it out, the UME user. UME admin. Yes, UME admin also changed it here. UME admin also changed it to the 2.2.2. So it's updated. So you can see the today's date, all the patches with the apply time, today's date here. So it's updated. It's a updated version. It's updated. So end of the downtime. So downtime is done. So finished. So end of the downtime. Now post activities are running here. So lastly, it will give the how much downtime and everything. It is give the information.
అది మీరు వర్షన్ ఇప్పుడు చూపెట్టాడు ఒకసారి ఎడిట్లోకి వెళ్తారా అది అది జావా దానికి ఇది ఇక్కడ మీరు వర్షన్ ఉన్నది 1.0.7.5 అనేది నెట్వేర్ వర్షన్, ఇదేమో ఎస్పీ వర్షన్,
ఇది ఎస్పీ వర్షన్, ఇదేమో ప్యాచ్ లెవెల్ వర్షన్.
ప్యాచ్ ఇక్కడ ఇయర్ ఉంటది కదా సార్, 2023 డేట్ మంత్.
ఈ ప్యాచ్ అనేది ఏ ఇయర్ లో రిలీజ్ చేశారు, ఏ ఇయర్ మంత్ అప్పుడెప్పుడు రిలీజ్ చేశారు అనేది ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఇయర్, మంత్, డేట్, ద టైమ్. సో ఇది నెప్ల కింద దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే కింద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ విల్ బి వెన్ వాజ్ ద అప్లైడ్ టైమ్, వెన్ యూ అప్లైడ్ దిస్ వన్, టుడే ఓన్లీ యూ అప్లైడ్, సో ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ బిఫోర్ యూ అప్లైడ్ హియర్. సో టుడేస్ డేట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ హియర్, IST టైమింగ్స్. Suppose if you see here the first component Ajax runtime, we have not applied now. When you applied the 12, the applied time is the the 11th. So 11th date. 11th date means so Monday. Monday we applied. Last 2 weeks back we applied this one. So that's why Ajax runtime apply time is this one.
వన్స్ అప్డేట్ అయిన తర్వాత అక్కడ కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది 2023 లైక్ డేట్ మంత్ టైం.
Yeah. ఇక్కడ ప్యాచ్ ఎప్పుడైతే అప్డేట్ అవుతుందో ఆ ప్యాచ్ టైం కూడా అప్డేట్ ఉంది. సపోజ్ J2EE apps released on 2023 06/07th month. When was the compiled time? But apply time is different and the patch release time is different. Patch released on the one year ago. Today we are applying means it won't display the today's time. It will display the when was the patch released 2023 06/07. So that month is displayed here. Today we applied. So today's date it is displayed here.
ఇక్కడ రిలీజ్ అయిన డేట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్.
Release date ఇదేమో అప్లై టైం ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్.
So it's almost done. Now summary is giving the information. Summary like that to on time, process run time 36 minutes completed. Then system downtime, so 18 minutes only. Just 18 minutes system got down. So total run time 36 minutes we completed the upgrade. But so in the system in the 36 minutes half what downtime, system downtime. So it's done. Upgrade is done now. So the same time, how to upgrade using the telnet tool. Okay, telnet tool, how to update using the telnet tool. Let me take it here. So telnet tool, let me split the video here.